There are so many students who find chemistry rather tough subject when they are asked. The only one answer comes that the chemical formulas and the understanding of chemical formulas make them learn this chemistry with a slow pace and with a slow speed, and they find chemistry quite tough. So I have made this serial for all those students who find chemistry rather tough subjects. By following these steps of making formulas, the students will find this subject quite easier, and it will be very easy for all such students to learn and to write these chemical formulas very easily, and they will be able to grip the chemistry. Okay students, now starts with our first video. This is our first video. First of all, you must learn the monovalent. The cations and the anions have been written here. Start with learning cations. Monovalent cations: hydrogen H plus 1, lithium Li plus 1, sodium Na plus 1, silver potassium K plus 1, silver Ag plus 1, cuprous Cu plus 1, mercurous Ag plus 1, ammonium NH4 plus 1. Now with the -1 valency, the anions are present here: fluoride F minus 1, chloride Cl minus 1, bromide Br minus 1, iodide I minus 1, hydroxide OH minus 1, nitrate NO3 minus 1, bicarbonate or hydrogen carbonate, that is HCO3 minus 1, bisulfate HSO4 minus 1. Okay students, in this video we are going to learn divalent cations and anions. For the divalent cations, means plus 2 ion, beryllium Be plus 2, magnesium Mg plus 2, calcium or calcium Ca plus 2, barium Ba plus 2, cupric Cu plus 2, mercuric Ag plus 2, ferrous Fe plus 2, manganese Mn plus 2, zinc Zn plus 2, stannous Sn plus 2. Now divalent anions means negative ions: oxide O minus 2, sulfide S minus 2, carbonate CO3 minus 2, sulfate SO4 minus 2, biphosphate HPO4 minus 2, oxalate C2O3 minus 2, thiosulfate S2O3 minus 2. Okay students, this is the last step, and after learning these steps or the valencies of this step, you will be able to write formulas, and I will start the making of formulas through all these valencies. The monovalent you have learnt, divalent you have learnt, and now it's time for learning trivalent elements. The trivalent elements are bismuth Bi plus 3, aluminium Al plus 3, chromium Cr plus 3, ferric Fe plus 3. And for anions, trivalent anions: nitrite N minus 3, phosphide P minus 3, phosphate PO4 minus 3. Thank you very much. After learning these all valencies, the monovalent, divalent and trivalent, you will start writing the chemical formulas, and after this I am going to make the next video of making chemical formulas through monovalent, divalent and trivalent elements.